In a shocking twist to high-profile Punjab family tragedy, the son of former Punjab Director General of Police, who was found dead in his Panchkula residence, had accused his father of having an affair with his wife and even orchestrating a plot to murder him. A case has been registered against former DGP Mohammad Mustafa, his wife and ex-minister Razia Sultana, their daughter and daughter-in-law. Police have said that Akhil was found unconscious at his residence, but later claimed that the death was due to a drug overdose. However, a complaint has been registered by the neighbor, and a 16-minute video that was recorded by the victim in this case on the 27th of August has now raised serious suspicions of foul play. Anshul, my colleague, now joins us, getting us more details. Anshul, some of the details that are coming out are quite salacious, quite controversial as well. What is it that the police are now looking into?
Well, the police has formed an SIT to look into this entire matter because the people who have been named in this FIR, or the people who have been accused of carrying out this entire alleged murder, is what the police is probing. They are pretty high-level people, and hence the police is also trying to make sure that they tread each and every step with a lot of caution. At this point in time, the FIR that has been registered against the former DGP of Punjab, his wife, his daughter-in-law, and also his daughter as well. Now, in the video that has surfaced, the 16-minute long video of the victim that has surfaced, in that video, he very clearly goes ahead and narrates the entire ordeal that he was facing. In fact, this entire issue of relation that was being built between his father and his wife was going on for the past 2.5 years. In fact, the victim in that video has gone ahead and claimed that his father, mother and sister constantly tried to build pressure on him and threatened him that he will be imprisoned. 2 years ago, an instance that has been said by him in that video, he said that two years ago, I tried to confront my father, and at that point, my father registered an FIR against me for attempt to murder. But however, there were other people, other senior officers who convinced him that these charges will not stand in the court of law, and hence that case was diluted. Post that, there was constant verbal spats that was happening between him and the entire family, in which the family was trying to somewhere or the other trying to put pressure on him to say nothing about this relationship that has happened between his wife and his father. In fact, to the extent that he claims that his own sister had told him that he should keep quiet, or his character will be assassinated, or worst case scenario, he will be murdered as well. And since then, the victim claims that he has been under a lot of pressure, and the manner in which his father and the entire family has been trying to build pressure on him to stay silent has put him into deep depression. Now, once this incident had happened initially, there were suspicions that this could be a case of suicide because of depression. But the manner in which this video has surfaced, this actually clearly states that somewhere or the other, this was being planned to kill him in some way or the other, according to the dying declaration of the victim that is now being considered as the last video. And that is the reason why instead of registering a case of abetment to suicide, the police has registered a case of murder in this entire matter. The viscera samples of the victim have been preserved, and it will be received, and the reports will be received by the police within the next 2.5 weeks. And it is only then it would be clear that what was the exact reason of death. Prima facie, it has come out that it could be a case of drug overdose, as is being claimed by the family, but nothing can be said for sure at this point, and that is the reason why the Panchkula police is now waiting for those viscera samples to come back. Once they receive those reports, then it would be abundantly clear that what could have been the exact reason for the death. If at all this was a drug overdose, then this could have been a case of repeated use of drugs as well. That would also clear up. If at all this was for the first time that a drug overdose has happened, then yet again more suspicion would raise on the family members, if at all the family
especially since that 16-minute video has now gone viral. Anshul, do stay on with us, because we do have details of the FIR that have now been accessed by us here on CNN News 18. The complainant, Shamsuddin Chaudhary, has alleged that there was simmering discontent between the deceased and his family. The complainant has alleged that the former DGP's son expressed his apprehension that his life was in danger and that he might be killed by his father and the rest of his family. These are the stunning allegations that have been made by the complainant, who happens to be the victim's neighbor in this particular case. We do have the details, Anshul, of this particular FIR. But in that video, the victim also goes on to say that he knew of this illicit relations or the affair between his father and his wife, and that was going on since 2018. Were there any previous complaints that were made by him?
So no official complaints were made by him that we know of, but however there were complaints that were made from the side of the family, in which, as I mentioned, that one case was registered of an assault or an attempt to murder on his son himself. And then also he continues to maintain that there were several threats that he was receiving from his family members as well, and that is the reason why he says that he was in a lot of tension and a lot of stress for the last 2.5 years, and he has been getting no help whatsoever, because he is not able to find the way through which he could actually go around and raise these allegations on his entire family, because it was his family themselves who were building this pressure on him, due to which he was under a lot of stress. Now, since an FIR has already been registered by the police, only a detailed investigation will tell us that what actually transpired, especially the days that led up to his death as well. At this point in time, after the initial investigation, the police feels that they have ample evidences to register a case of murder in this entire matter, and that is the reason why a murder case has been registered. Now, the next step, according to the SOP, that should happen at this point in time is the arrest of all these 4 accused that needs to be done, because the sections of murder, if at all they have been imposed, then it demands an immediate arrest. It remains to be seen when will Panchkula police go ahead and take this action and make sure that all these 4 people who have been named as an accused, they could be arrested, and then further investigation and interrogation into this entire matter could start. Now, the ball is in the court of Panchkula police. It remains to be seen when will they carry out this entire interrogation that needs to be done with the entire family, who have now been named as an accused in this entire matter.
All of whom have been booked. There is an FIR that has been registered. Manoj Rathi, my colleague, also joins us. Anshul, do stay on with us. Manoj, क्या और जानकारी मिल सकती है? तफ्तीश जारी है. BNS के 2 धाराएं लगाई गई हैं, 103 और 61, if I'm not mistaken. क्या गिरफ्तारी भी हो सकती है आगे?
देखिए, बिल्कुल ये पूरा मामला है, अब इन्वेस्टिगेशन के लिए स्पेशल इन्वेस्टिगेशन टीम जो है इसमें लगा दी गई है, क्योंकि अभी तक जो इन्वेस्टिगेशन हो रही है उसमें कई चीजों का खुलासा हुआ है। क्योंकि देखिए 27 अगस्त यानी कि 27 अगस्त की ये वीडियो है जो कि अकील अख्तर ने बनाई थी, और वीडियो जो सामने आई है, और 16 अक्टूबर को जब इसको हॉस्पिटल लेकर आए थे और वहां बताया गया था इसके परिवार वालों की तरफ से कि इसने ओवरडोज किया है दवाइयों की तरफ से। लेकिन खुलासा तब हुआ कि जब वीडियो सामने आई, और उसके बाद शमशुद्दीन जो मलेर कोटला का रहने वाला है, जो कंप्लेनेंट है, उसने कंप्लेंट लिखाई कि उसको तंग परेशान किया जाता था, उसको मारने की कोशिश भी की गई। और इससे पहले भी जो अकील अख्तर ने जो वीडियो बनाई है उसमें देखिए 3-4 पॉइंट बहुत अहम है। पहला पॉइंट ये कि उसने अपने फादर साहब जो एक्स डीजीपी हैं मोहम्मद मुस्तफा, उन पर एलिगेशन लगाया कि उनके संबंध उनकी वाइफ के साथ है, यानी कि अपनी बहू के साथ उनके गलत रिलेशन है। उसके बाद सेकंड पॉइंट, अपनी रियल सिस्टर पर भी उन्होंने एलिगेशन लगाया कि गलत तरीके से उसके रहन सहन है। तीसरा पॉइंट, उसका साफ तौर पे वीडियो पे कहना था कि जो परिवार वाले मिलकर मुझे मारना चाहते हैं, मुझे दबाव दिया जाता है, मुझे प्रेशर दिया जाता है, लेकिन मैं क्या करूं, मैं बहुत परेशान हूं। इस तरह की वीडियो जो है उस पे वीडियो बनाई गई थी। लेकिन देखिए, अब जब 16 अक्टूबर को उसको हॉस्पिटल लाया गया और डॉक्टर्स को कहा गया कि दवाइयों की ओवरडोज की वजह से, हालांकि पोस्टमार्टम किया गया है, और जब जो रियल अब इसमें चीज निकल कर आएगी वो विसरा रिपोर्ट में आएगी कि विसरा रिपोर्ट क्या कहती है, आखिर उसकी मौत कैसे हुई। देखिए, इसमें अब एसआईटी जो काम कर रही है वो सबसे पहला तो प्राइमरी यही है कि उसकी मौत कैसे हुई, अकील अख्तर की मौत का कारण क्या है, किस तरह का कोई पॉइजन था, किस तरह की चीज उसको दी गई, क्या वजह रही। और इसके साथ साथ जो एसआईटी जो अब इसमें इन्वेस्टिगेशन कर रही है उसमें सबसे पहला पॉइंट ये है कि आखिर वजह क्या रही, किन किन लोगों से बातचीत हुई। क्योंकि मोबाइल जो है अकील अख्तर का, वो मोबाइल कब्जे में ले लिया गया है। मोबाइल में लास्ट लोकेशन कहां थी, किस किस से बात हुई, किन लोगों से बातचीत हुई, किसी तरह से कोई घर में लड़ाई झगड़ा हुआ था। देखिए, इसमें बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जिसको लेकर अब एसआईटी लगातार इन्वेस्टिगेशन कर रही है। और इसमें सबसे पहला, क्योंकि देखिए उनके जो मोहम्मद मुस्तफा हैं, एक्स डीजीपी हैं, पंजाब के रहे हैं, उनकी वाइफ जो है रजिया सुल्तान, वो पॉलिटिकल में काफी एक्टिव रही हैं, लीडर रही हैं, तो कहीं ना कहीं अब ये काफी हाई प्रोफाइल मामला हो जाता है। इसको लेकर इसमें लगातार अब एसआईटी इन्वेस्टिगेशन कर रही है, और इसमें कई चीजों पर जो है वो मुश्किलों में पड़ सकते हैं मोहम्मद मुस्तफा, क्योंकि बहुत सारी चीजों को लेकर एलिगेशन लगा है उन पर। क्या चीज की सच्चाई है, क्या है, इसमें अब एसआईटी जो बैठाई गई है वो लेकर पॉइंट टू पॉइंट इन्वेस्टिगेशन करती नजर आ रही है।
जी बिल्कुल। Manoj and Anshul, thank you so much for getting us those latest details. We'll keep a track of what transpires in that investigation. But